Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt good full guide. Heat milk to 180 degrees F, cool to 110 degrees F, add your starter and mix gently. Keep the mixture warm and stable during incubation to develop flavor and texture. Taste as it thickens and stop when you like the tanginess. Chill to set and store in the fridge for optimal freshness and consistency. Whole milk gives a naturally rich mouthfeel and usually sets thicker without additives. If you choose non-dairy options, plan to use powdered milk, agar, or cornstarch to achieve body. Avoid ultra-pasteurized milk because it often resists culturing and can lead to runny results. Experiment with blends of milk types to balance flavor, texture, and nutrition to match your personal preference. To modify texture, strain yogurt through cheesecloth to create Greek-style and concentrate protein. Sweeten after culturing so sugar does not interfere with bacterial action, and fold in purees or extracts once chilled for smooth results. For thicker batches, stir in powdered milk at the heating stage. Adjust incubation time to control tang. Longer yields tangier yogurt and shorter yields milder flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.